Yo guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm gonna break down exactly how you scale customers from making $0 a month to making consistent 100k months. So in this video I'm gonna break down everything for you from A to Z. If you guys don't know who I am, I'm Abdullah, one of the co-founders of Flows Marketing, where I've helped more than 60 plus clothing brands scale from making $0 a month to making consistent 100k months. We're working with the top brands in the streetwear industry right now, but I can't really go ahead and tell you the names because we're on NDAs and all that type of stuff. But if you guys want me to scale your brand personally, like this Q4, we're taking 10 plus brands, small to big level brands, and scale from where they are right now to where they want to be. So if you guys are interested in me scaling your brand, like we do all of the backend stuff for you. If you're working with us, all you need to do is ship orders. Like that's literally all you have to do. If you guys are interested in that, just schedule a call down below or hit me up on Instagram. Alright guys, so let me show you a little bit of our results that we got for our clients this month. As you guys can see, we started running ads the 1st of November to the 3rd of November. As you guys can see, we spent around 4,000 to make back 60,000. Like tell me other agencies doing all this stuff. We made $73,000 in just 3 days. That's just to show you guys we don't want doing this game. Like nobody doing it better than us. So before we get started with the video, I just want to let you guys know that if you guys give me 100% attention, there's no way that this video is not gonna work for you, because this is a proven strategy that has worked for over 100 plus brands, which makes you different than them. All they had to do was listen to what I told them and also implement what I tell them. I want you guys to focus and take notes of what I'm about to tell you, because trust me, I'm gonna break down the funnel from A to Z. Let's get started. In this video I'm gonna break down the funnel from A to Z, as you guys can see right here. Alright guys, so the first thing we do when we start working with is that first we take a look at your products. Like one most important thing for a brand is the product. No matter how good all of your funnels are, anything about your brand is, if your product is shit, trust me, your brand is not gonna go anywhere, because that's the value that people pay for. You guys should go back to the lab, cook some crazy ass shit. And the second thing after I fix your product is content. Like you can't just go ahead and with some shitty ass content expect to make crazy numbers. Trust me, you're gonna get stuck at that $3,000 to $4,000. The one thing you want to do when you're running ads, because you're competing with all of these big brands which will spend around more than $5,000 to $10,000 a day, how do you expect you to outperform us? So you guys should go back and cook some crazy ass content, because trust me, if you have a good product and good content, you have done 50% of the job. Like your ads are gonna be 50% easier because you have these two things. Alright, so after you have gotten the content right, the website right, then we go ahead and hop on the site and see what we can do for them. Because trust me, no matter how good your product is or how good your content is, if your website is shit, nobody's gonna buy. Like imagine you going into a shop right now, and when you enter the shop is so dirty, smells bad, the place is just too confused. Are you gonna buy or are you gonna leave? So you guys need to treat your online store like that. You guys should make it as easy as possible for all of these people, because they are all brainless. They don't have that much brain cells. You gotta treat them like kids. I'm gonna show you a good example of a good and a bad product, and also an example of good content and a good website. Alright guys, so for the website, this is an example of a good and a bad website. No hate, your website really looks good. The only thing you need to fix is like the product pictures. As you guys can see, the product pictures are just shit. One here, aspect ratio, one down, one up, all of that doesn't make sense. Like you have to make them level. Like look at this, just flawless. You can see the product really well, like the product focused, and you can see the product really well. Like everything just matches the aesthetic. Like bro, are you even selling? Are you selling the jeans or the shoe, or you don't even know what you're selling? So you need to fix this, please. Like no hate bro, but you gotta fix this. Also this, like are you selling a house tool here, or are you selling the product? Like you need to focus on the product. When you can't just take all of these IG pics and throw them as product pictures. You gotta take time and make product pictures for your brand. Now see this, how does it even correlate? Like you have model pics right here, and also here you have a flat layer. It doesn't even make sense. Then a mock-up right here just looks so unorganized, like a test page and all that stuff. So bro, I say personally, when you're taking pictures, use the 10 by 10 1080 by 1080 aspect ratio, which means 1 by 1 for all of the pictures. If you're gonna go with 916, go with 916. Like you're just gonna end up confusing people. So please, you gotta fix this. I love you bro, but this website is not it. This is another example for good products and bad products. Like take a look at this product. Like it's fucking flawless. This is one of my clients. We're making consistent 6 figures when we drop this product, but look at this one, so flawless, well ironed, well lit. Like the pictures are just it, and the product also, we went crazy with this one, especially this red one. But look at this now. Number one, the content is bad. What the fuck is this style? Like, which size chart is this one? It doesn't look good at all. Also, this will have maybe sold around 2023, 2024, but now nobody's gonna buy this stuff. And also, what type of flat lay is this? Right, so these are also some example of some good creatives that we did for our clients, and we printed with these creatives like crazy. Alright guys, so this is one of the content that made us around 30k last month. Let me show you guys. Like, we made around 30k with only this product. Like, off of this product we made 30k. That's just to show you guys all you need is the winning product, good content, a very good website, and a good ad strategy behind your brand. Also, here's another one right here. As you guys can see, this really good content. Like, this will be a really good ad. It shows everything in detail. You swipe right here, the AOV is gonna go high because there are many products that people can see and they can choose from many products. So you guys should have many products in your collection if you want to scale past that 10k a month. Like, you when you want to scale past that 10k a month, you can't just be doing all of this other shit that all of these brands are doing. You gotta be some shit that nobody has ever done before if you wanna pass that 10k a month. So easy to scale to that 10k a month, but the hardest part is scaling past that 10k a month, because you need good systems before you scale past that 10k a month. So this is also another example of good content. We went crazy with this one. This was one of our winning creatives. Alright guys, so what you want to do with your site is you gotta make it as plain as possible. Like, make it look so simple website that get straight to the point. You don't need all of that crazy as animations. Please guys, stop playing background music on your website. You're just gonna end up making the website slow and confusing the buyer. So please stop putting that background music, please. If you want an example of a simple as website, just go to Vance.us. It's my brand. You can see what we did there and just try to replicate everything. Even though the team in there is a $400 team, like, just try to replicate it. Like, if you're working with us, you get all of these things for free. Like, we do websites, everything. Alright, so after you have gotten all of that stuff, like, this is the most important part of the funnel, meta ads, because this is where you get people. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is one of our clients. We just dropped 1st November and it's probably 3rd November right now. As you guys can see, from the 1st to the 3rd November we made 59,000 FR, which is around $73,000. Made that in a span of 3 days with a 14x was. Like, tell me some other agencies doing this stuff. That's just show you guys we the number one in this Golden brand streetwear space. If you guys would be interested in me scaling your brand, like running the ads, all of that stuff, just hit me up.